Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmates. So, my name is Jaden Enrica. I am the first reporter of Group 4. So, my topic is all about assembly line by shooting. Background of the author. Shooting real name is Gong Pyo, born in 1952, and Chinese poet associated with domestic poets. Her former schooling ended in 1969 when her family was sent the countryside during the Cultural Revolution. After returning to Chinese in 1972, she worked in factories and began writing poetry, publishing her first poem in 1979. Shooting gained prominence as leading female representative of the Misty poets in the early 1980s and her nationality in Chinese. So si Shooting, ang real name day ni is Gong Pyo. So gipanganak di siya atong 1952 sa province sa China. So kini si Gong Pyo is kilala jud ni siya or well known sa poet sa ilahang lugar, and also isa pod ni siya na recognize sa female representative of the group of Misty poet. So after niyan human sa iyang pag-eskwela atong 1969, ang iyang family nag-decide na mag-adto siya sa countryside during pud sa Culture Revolution. So after siya nibalik sa Fujian in 1972, so nag-work siya sa factory, and also nag-start po siya pagsulat og mga poetry na on publish siya iyang first poem sa 1979. So isa po siya sa representative and new style of writing that give voice to emotions and personal impression during a time when literature in China was heavily controlled.
Good day everyone, this is my report about the 5 major poets of shootings. Number 1, it's Masted Boat, published in 1982. It is a Chinese literary work whose title symbolizes resilience and the journey through life hardship emerging in the post-cultural revolution period. It reflects themes of struggle, survival, and hope during the time of social change in China. Ambot pasabot ani gud niya nga poem is atong 20th century na change man gud ang kuan sa China, yung mga balaod kay tungod sa ilang government nga di nag-away ba social change in China. Muna siya nga nahimo ni sini shooting poem about the struggles in survival. Number 2 is the Hu Changi Di, di masabot ni, The Singing Iris ang English ani. It is published in the early 1980s. It's a Chinese literary work that uses the iris as a symbol of beauty and resilience, reflecting themes of hope and renewal in post-cultural revolution China. Ang kining The Singing Iris is, ang iyang gipasabot ani nga iris is, ang iris ani is a bulak ni siya nga kuan, blue ang color ani nga bulak. Mao ni diri yang kuan bulak nga The Singing Iris. Mao ni siya nga bulak, Singing Iris. Nag-symbolize ni siya sa beauty and resilience, reflecting themes of hope and renewal in post-cultural revolution China. Number 3 is Archaeopteryx, published in the early 1980s. It is a Chinese literary work that draws on the image of the ancient bird as a symbol of transformation and survival, reflecting themes of change, resilience, and the search for new beginnings in a shifting society. Ang Archaeopteryx is a ancient bird ni siya daw, mura siya og kuan. Mo ni porma niya sa Archaeopteryx. mauni yung forma. Symbolize siya transformation of survival kay sa nga panahon mupay pagsugod nila og survive sa ilang na sa nahitabo sa 20th century. Number 4 is The Mist of My Heart, selected poem to shooting. It is published in 1990. It is an English language collection of poems by Shooting, one of China's leading misty poets. The volume highlights her lyrical voice, weaving themes of love, individuality, resilience, and the subtle social critique, offering international readers a glimpse into the emotional depth and humanism of contemporary Chinese poetry. And number 5, the last, is the selected poems edited by Ibahang. It is published in 1983. It's a collection that introduces English-speaking audiences to Shooting, a prominent figure of China's mystic poetry movement. The book showcases the lyrical style and recurring themes of love, nature, individuality, and quiet resistance, capturing the spirit of a generation seeking personal expression after years of political upheaval. At diri sa ikalima, naada diri tanan ang mga poem ni Shooting. Iyan ang gi-edit na niya tanan ni Ibahang. Giisa na ni Ibahang diri yung gi-translate sa English para masabtan gisab tanan. Kay kuan man siya Chinese man siya nga pagkasulat. Gi-translate ni o gi-edit ni Ibahang himo niyang English para mapasabot gisa tanan ang gustong ipasabot ni Shooting ani last niya nga kuan. Nag-i-edit na ni Ibahang. Thank you. Maura to.
Good afternoon, ma'am. It's I'm converted and the topic is the 12 assembly line by Shooting. So, I will read the poem. In times assembly line, night forces against night. We come out with a full night shift. In line was marched towards home. Over our heads in a row, the assembly line of stars stretches across the sky beside us. Little trees stand out in black lines. The stars must be exhausted after thousands of years of journeys which never change. The little trees are all sick, choked on smog and monotony. Stripped of their color and shape, it's not hard to feel for them. We share the same tempo and rhythm. Yes, I'm numb to my own existence. As if, like the trees and stars, perhaps just out of habit, perhaps just out of sorrow, I'm unable to show concern for my own manufactured fate. So, this means is in the first stanza of the poem is nagpahiwatig siya kung abusar o pag-aapit sa Tagalog pa and loss of individuality. So, sa stanza sa poem, ani is ginapakita ang mapang-aping sistema pagpolitika na dakong effect para sa mga katawhan o dili lang para sa katawhan pati na sa kalikasan. So the poem's critics of society that values conformity and productivity over individual expression and freedom. So, kita na ito sa second stanza, nag-reflect siya suffering and unchanging nature of existence tungod sa pag-abusar sa environment o labi na sa mga tao. Through these personifications, naghimo si Shooting og a pognant image o giunsa sa industrial society pag-drain sa vitality and spirit of both nature and individuals caught within it. So, on the third and last stanza naman is it means of numbness and apathy o kawalan ng it also to disconnect o isa sa kawalan o kakayahan pag malasakit o pagpakita og malasakit. So it begins sa batasan because of losing energy tungod kay naluya na sa mga panghitabo ay gawad ang paglaom. It results of loneliness. So the poem is what can affect through the doors. So, assembly line in catalyst personal reflection and social action, prompting readers to question the status quo and advocate for a more human and equitable world. So, nga ito makuha ni moralism is resist conformity, value individuality. So, it means is to embrace your unique self. Don't let the world's pressure mold you into someone you're not. That's all. Thank you.